How many months into January are we? Yeah, we took care of that like 13 weeks ago. Yeah, January 2nd. I've only been here for 7 minutes. I'm pretty sure it should be 2025 by now. You want it done by the end of January? It's like 5 weeks. That meeting was like 2 months ago, no? It was last week. It's cold, it's gloomy, the sun sets at noon. I just want some warmer weather, you know what I mean? Oh, you just want a copy of your invoice? Absolutely. I understand. It may be the last 2 days of January, but in reality, every 15 minutes is like